What? Oh. 白爹，没有，我出来了。You're missing a lot. Missing a lot, buddy. No! What'd you get? What are you missing? 179! You missed 179! Come on, Seth, you have to get the high ground, get the high ground. Ooh, he blocked it. Ooh, he blocked it again. Take such good photos. Hasha? You know Hasha, right? Wait, you wanted them since you were 4?
Born.
Oh, born.
Get it right. Get it right. It doesn't.
What difference does that make?
It does look kind of small, actually.
It's 7.5.
Yeah.
So if it's small, just take it back and like. Okay, can you put? Do you take all the stuff? Are there stuff inside the shoes?
Oh no, it fits fine.
You want to try it with socks on or?
Maybe it would be difficult with socks. It's in the top drawer of my room, of my closet.
They have a lot of like guppies and stuff.
Wait, I don't think this is right. I think so. Wait, we have to do it again. You go forward or backward? Forward or backward?
No, you go forward.
Okay, so.
And she goes forward at the same time.
Oh, I thought she was going backward while I go forward.
Okay, let's do that.
Birthday.
We don't know them, right? We don't know them, right?
I know that.
Yeah, we don't know. I don't eat oysters, but you know, these are so good.
Harry, you sure you don't want to do this?
Yeah. It's good health.
Don't think about it.
Alright, it's Harry's first time eating.
Alright, first oysters. How about you eat this?
Just slurp it, bro. How is it? How is
Wow,
it?
it's pretty good.
We're converting.
It's good? It's good?
But you have to get that around.
I used to not like oyster because of like the weird texture.
Yeah.
This is actually really good.
Next podcast. So you guys like oysters?
My goodness, what the
Oh my gosh.
Wait, how do I eat this? Do you want this one? There's so much
Sure.
more cream in this one.
God. Boss.
What'd you think? Just a cookie, right?
With the cream?
It's a lot of cream.
This is so good.
What's going on? Oh, no, I'm good. I'll take a bite actually. Hold on. That's pretty much it. Oh,
Did
nice.
you see it?
Yeah.
It came from that side too.
So today we found out Sarah has a phobia.
Every
of lightning.
romance story.
I told you guys about this phobia.
I mean,
Yeah, no, I don't remember.
It's the first time seeing it.
I don't remember ever.
Oh, true.
You never told me this.
For Stefan and Min, I was in their car.
You guys should have seen it earlier. I think it is.
Come on, open it up. Open it up.
Hold on.
Here you go.
Oh. Ooh, look at the roll.
I don't know if I'd rather just keep going.
I don't think you can.
Dude, it was getting really hard to see, to be honest.
But it doesn't keep going down, right?
We are currently
We're going back home from Baltimore. And it is
It is pouring.
We stopped on the road because we decided to be a little bit safe. It's supposed to pass by in 10 minutes.
Yeah, so hopefully we can like maybe get moving again soon,
We
but
don't make
we thought we could pass it by waiting a little bit, or earlier, but nope.
Yeah, we'll see.
We stayed in Baltimore for like an extra hour, an hour and a half,
Now
just for the store to move south in front of us. We could have, yeah.
Because the storm is.
The storm would have been behind us instead of in front of us. Like we said, everyone's waiting here.
Okay, it's not as bad.
Well, everyone just stopped. Okay, just to recap, we did make it out of that rainstorm alive. As you're watching this video, you probably already know. But thank the Lord we made it out alive. Right now I'm packing for a trip to Canada, finally. I'm getting to finally get on an airplane for the first time since January 2020, before this whole pandemic. I'm testing out this new lens that you see right here. It's not my 24-105, it is a 15-35. Look how wide this is. Let's get it down to 20 mil. Yeah, so I'm gonna test this out, see how good it is for landscape, and see if I decide to save up for this lens or not, because this is a pretty expensive lens. That's why I'm renting it for now. It's actually very cheap to rent it. It only cost me about $200 to rent for a little over a week. I did do an engagement photo shoot, which is also my first technically paid photography gig, this past weekend. But very excited to see what the lens is capable of doing. By the time you're seeing this video, I'm probably going to be in Canada already, so I'm very excited to see the picture coming out. Going to Canada also means there's going to be a lot of content I'm going to be creating for my YouTube and Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you link in the description, make sure you go click that follow, see the pictures and reels that I'll be posting on there, because you know Instagram nowadays is all about reels. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, if you want to see content from Canada or even just content from here in Virginia, like my day-to-day random vlogs, make sure you click that subscribe button too. See y'all next one.